Hey guys, I'm back. Don't mind the music in the back. I already did my hair. Today we're going to be trying out photogenic makeup because I do not look good in pictures unless like it's a selfie or like I'm taking the picture. So I thought I'd try photogenic makeup because it's summer and we're going to be taking a lot of pictures on vacation. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to start by adding some concealer over here. I look crazy, but trust the process. I'm gonna blend it. Okay, next I'm gonna add some powder like around here. Okay, next I'm gonna add some eyeshadow. Okay, you can't really see the eyeshadow, it's a bit of like a dark, and now I'm gonna go with my eyeliner. Okay, next I'm gonna go with some foundation. Concealer. Bronzer. Highlights. Okay, next I'm gonna use my e.l.f. blush. I haven't used this blush in the longest. Okay, next I'm gonna go with some powder. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this out. I already did a little bit. Lip liner. Lip gloss. And I'm gonna add some more concealer. I'm gonna add some more of this blush. Okay, next I'm gonna add some mascara. I realized I forgot to put on mascara, so let's do that. Setting spray. Okay guys, this is the makeup. Pretty glowy. I'm gonna take some pictures to see if it really makes me photogenic, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the pictures. Okay guys, don't mind the lighting. Here are the pictures. I like them. I look good. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe so we can get closer to 900 subscribers. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.